The Swiss nature is such a beautiful place. And you can only capture a part of it in a painting or in a text. And this was the inspiration.
At Swiss, we want to create a unique atmosphere for our guests, one that engages all the senses and creates a feeling of well-being and comfort. We decided that we want to create a signature scent, a scent that is unique and inspired by the beautiful landscapes of Switzerland.
The Alpine Valley, the wonderful trees growing there. Scents for me is memories, emotions. If I smell something, I feel something. The ingredients of Alpine Valley brings out the emotions of the Swiss nature. And all of these components together bring us this sensoric journey to an Alpine Valley.
Alpine Valley should be a scent that is recognizable and that brings the sense of serenity, calm, and relaxation. Having collaborated with Söder for such a long time gave us actually the opportunity to create such a unique signature scent.
Swiss believed in this project, and Swiss believed in bringing natural care on board.
So it was important to us that guests in all classes can experience our signature scent.
Even when you're up in the air, you should be able to experience an Alpine Valley.
And hopefully guests remember that scent when they return and spend another flight with us.